Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. I got my um t-shirt, YouTube channel t-shirt under my name printed. It's Nate's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. And this is front this is the front of the t-shirt and this is the back of the t-shirt. YouTube. So please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channels. I have my own t-shirt print with my own logo. Nits Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. So this is the front and this is the back. So if you're new to my YouTube channel and you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. Don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next blog. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. It's Pinay Blog of Maryland. I'm so proud I have my own t-shirt, printed it with my own channel. So please like and share. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe and like and share. And at the back of my shirt, YouTube is YouTube. So this is the back and this is the front. So please like and share and subscribe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. Please like and share. Help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big. It's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is my t-shirt. If you want to order it, please message me and order it and give me a message me to my personal message. Is $30 each t-shirt. So $30 each t-shirts is free shipping wherever you are. Message me. If you're interested to buy my YouTube channel t-shirt, let me know. $30. So Let's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. Let's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. This is the front and this is the back. So it's available to buy this. PM me and I will tell you the sizes. So you can let me know ahead of time, like a week or two, so we can print you for your sizes and let me know. This is the back. This is my YouTube channel t-shirt. And this is the front. It's Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe and make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Blog. I have my own YouTube channel t-shirt printed. I ordered one of my coworkers. So shout out to you, Mr. Eddie, one of my coworker at Walmart. So shout out. You made this for me. So thank you. I order more for you. So thank you. And God bless you and God bless everyone. And wherever you are, stay safe as always. Good morning here in the US. Good evening in the PI and afternoon somewhere in the UK. Wherever you are, stay safe as always. Is happy Monday, January 27, 2025. So happy Monday everyone. It's sunshine day. It's a little bit warmer. So wherever you are, stay safe as always. Be safe as always. Take care and God bless. And please visit me to my YouTube channel, Nits Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe and YouTube channel right here. So this is the back of my t-shirt and this is the front of my t-shirt. Yay! I have my own t-shirt. So Nits Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. So please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by subscribing, like, and share. Thank you and God bless you all. So long everyone. God bless. Stay safe as always. Take care and God bless. So happy Monday to you all wherever you are. And take care and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please help me to support my YouTube channel to make it big by liking, subscribing, like, and share. And don't skip ad for more video for you guys to watch. And thank you for your support. God bless. And see you again soon for the next vlog. So you can visit me to my YouTube channel, PM me to buy this t-shirt if you're interested to buy, to have one of these. Needs Pinay Vlog of Maryland. Subscribe, like, and share. It's $30 online. So thank you and God bless. So any size you want, let me know and PM me and I will return your message back. So give me a week or two to print this t-shirt. So thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon. Mega like shout out to all the viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone. Shout out to you all and take care and God bless you all. It's me again. It's been a vlog of Maryland. Subscribe, like, and share. So see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. So long and take care and God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's my own t-shirt with my own logo blog. Needs Pinay Blog of Maryland. Subscribe. This is the front of the t-shirt and this is the back of the t-shirt. Thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. Enjoy watching and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please like and share and subscribe and see you again soon. So long everyone. Take care and God bless you all.